The collective impact of the ocean's pollution issues can be catastrophic to the well-being of the ocean's ecosystem and the health of humans, which presents a global problem. This is important since the world depends on the ocean for several socioeconomic benefits, such as climate regulation, food, transportation, recreation, and medicine. The relationship between the ocean resources and humans operates uniquely in tandem since both entities are affected when the ocean is not maintained. Specific endangered species confuse plastics for food, therefore causing a detrimental biological effect in their reproductive systems. From a social utility aspect, humans should acknowledge the fact that the ocean's habitat is home to several species. Approximately 200,000 identified species are located within the ocean, which is 99% of all living species found on Earth. From an ethical viewpoint, people should combat ocean pollution challenges since it causes harm on marine-based animals and their natural habitats. In the U.S., 80% of ocean pollution comes from anthropogenic land-based activities. This problem is relevant because human-based activities contributes directly to the problem, which yields several other repercussions. Several actions can potentially reduce pollution from entering ocean waters. Reducing the use of plastics and participating in cleanups are great starts that people should consider. Governments and international organizations should influence local and national populations to go green, which promotes knowledge and produces an eco-friendlier environment. Aquaculture, fisheries, and factories' waste plans should be scrutinized and audited more frequently, resulting in a closer examination for quality and control measures of the sea. From an international perspective, a cultural and environmental change is needed so that people are influenced to reduce the use of plastic materials, therefore fostering a better environment for the ocean's ecosystem. Participating in beach cleanups are very helpful. However, it will not solve the ocean pollution issue. Deploying marine robots designed to remove trash from the seas in non-landlocked regions is another alternative to help reduce the pollution in the ocean. For instance, the Waste Shark is an autonomous drone that can navigate the seas and remove up to a kilogram of trash per minute. The benefit of the Waste Shark is that the collected plastics will be converted into pellets to produce new recreational products such as kayaks. Ocean cleanup operations are designed to remove 70,320 tons of plastic debris every 10 years. However, based on models and simulations, 135 million metric tons of plastics are required to be removed to equate to the low plastic debris levels in 2010. Pursuing this avenue approach will surely cost several billions of dollars to reach the low pollution levels by the year 2030. To date, there are no estimations of the overall global technological and economic efforts required to reduce the annual flow of plastics entering the ocean. Additionally, no estimations of the total accumulated amount of plastic that is present in the ocean. It is my belief for all proposed solutions to be effective, everyone should be morally influenced to care for the sea. When incentives are given, people will most likely contribute to such causes, since they will also receive something in return. For instance, if grocery stores were to eliminate plastic bags, it will force people to depend on other alternatives like reusable bags. National and local governments should evaluate their budgets so that critical strategies are attributed to combating ocean pollution. From a monetary aspect, innovative ideas are key regarding the funding towards this global problem. The Joint Ocean Commission suggests that states implement an Ocean Investment Trust Fund to aid with financial support for local organizations who combat ocean pollution. The bottom line is, to ensure that the ocean as a whole is protected, we must first adhere and comply with policies and guidelines that nations, countries, and states have set in place. Additionally, all coastal regions should implement alternative ways to help, such as using drones to help remove trash from the ocean. International guidelines and policies should be reevaluated for efficiency and reformed as appropriate. The implied social responsibilities should be embedded into everyone. Therefore, the process of removing plastics and preventing ocean pollution is supported in an ethical fashion. Finally, More support from respective governments and organizations is required to carry out the goals of the National Ocean Policy. Until the policy is matured, everyone must adhere to simple rules and guidelines that prohibits littering and dumping large-scale illegal trash into ocean waterways. It is transparent that ocean pollution is consistently rising and effective solutions is well overdue.